Welcome back, people, to the channel. And it's come to my attention that a lot of you guys have been asking for a withdrawal on the Bitcoin miner app, and some of you guys don't even know how to do it. So, I'm gonna help you guys out today with that. First of all, what you guys are gonna want to do is go down to the description and get the link address for the SpeedWallet. And all you're gonna do is fill out your information like you would do with any other normal application, and you will spawn on this homepage. And right here where you see it says JJ5407 at speed.app, you're gonna click create lightning wallet. You're gonna copy and paste that. Then you're gonna go over to your Bitcoin app, gonna load it up like you normally do. You're gonna go down to your wallet, press withdrawal lightning. And y'all, there's never a reason not to go with lightning because you always want to do withdrawals like constantly. So you do all. And this is the cool thing about the SpeedWallet, y'all. You guys don't have to do an invoice every time, because I know the invoices are kind of whack on here. They're not whack, they're just tedious to do. You copy and paste it, make sure there's no spaces that might fuck it up, I don't know. You press withdrawal, you confirm it, and then now you go back to the SpeedWallet and it should hit. Now, y'all, I want to let you guys know that currently you guys can join the app and get 500 sats when you guys join, or if you guys join the app and invite friends, you guys can get 1,000 sats. With that being said, use my referral code, is right there on screen. And the only other cool things about the Speed Lightning app is that it also refers you to a bunch of other places where you can get Bitcoin. The Slices app, that's always good. There's a video on my channel if you guys want to go check it out. There's some casinos on here. I'm not big on that. I don't like losing money on my account. But yeah, you can also, there's an arcade on here that I'm sure where you can earn Bitcoin. And now, me personally, y'all, I like to shop for gift cards with the crypto. I don't have no use for it other than that. But for those of you guys that want it cash, the only other way I would say is withdraw it to your Coinbase, or withdraw it to your Cash App, PayPal. If you don't know how to do that, well, I'm not about to show you guys. I'm too lazy to. But quite frankly, there it is, y'all. It's simple as 1, 2, 3. And before I get, guys, here's a little receipt that shows that I got the sats I needed from the Bitcoin app. And before I let you guys go off, I just want to keep this video short. There's this other Bitcoin mining app. See, now, personally, do not put no money in this. Just do it straight for the ad rewards and for the free Bitcoin contract. That's all I ask for you guys. It is not worth putting any money in this app. I will be leaving the link down below, because I do know some of y'all are skeptical about the app, and that's with good reason. And some of you guys just like to rock the free method, so here's another free method. The link will be down below. And also, y'all, for those of y'all wondering what happened yesterday when the Bitcoin mining app was down, they just had a network outage, okay? Nothing big. I did email them. I'll show the email here on screen. But anyways, y'all, nothing but a quick, short, simple video. Also, y'all, I have to note that I won't be uploading much money videos. First of all, because YouTube gave me a strike recently for something really stupid. And there's not a lot of good money apps. You guys have to know that. And I really don't feel like uploading these really simplistic, oh, here's a penny, I'm not about to do that to you guys. Anyways, leave a like, subscribe if you want. And I don't know. Though, yo, I almost forgot. I have a bannable with more money apps. Go check that out. The link's always in the homepage of my channel, and under this video there's some apps I haven't talked about on there. And, now for sure, I'll see y'all later.